Hi everyone, my name is Seng Vang, and I'll be teaching you how to make Khaub Piaj. It's a Lao-inspired dish. You can purchase any of these items at your local Oriental food supermarket. You will need 1 cup of rice flour, 1 cup of glutinous rice flour, however much chicken you want in your meal. Do note that chicken with bone has more flavoring. Lemongrass is optional, but it does kick up the ante when it comes up to flavor. 1 cup of boiling hot water for when you make the noodle. How to make the noodle. First step is you mix the rice flour with your glutinous rice flour in a larger bowl. Then you want to mix in your hot water to make the dough. Good. Now you want to stir it up until it becomes a thick dough, as such. The next step is you take your rice flour and pour a little on the surface of the table. Pat the flour around so when you put your dough on the table, it doesn't stick to the table. And don't forget to put flour on your hand so it doesn't stick to your hand. Flatten the dough into a thin layer. Once you have finished patting it, cut it into thin or thick slices, depending on how you like it. In this case, I like mine thick. I like my noodles thick because when you boil it, it doesn't break apart as easy as the thin ones do. It's time to boil the chicken. I've already pre-boiled mine. Once you're waiting for your chicken to boil, you can take your lemongrass and smash them. The reason why you want to smash the lemongrass is because it gives a lot more flavor to the soup versus when you just drop the lemongrass in the soup. The next step is to take out your chicken. You can use any method to shred your chicken. In this case, I use a mortar and pestle. Once you are satisfied with the chunks, it is time to put the noodles in the soup. You might notice that the boiling will stop for a little while. It's just because of the temperature of the soup. Once the soup starts boiling again, you can lower the temperature of the stove to prevent it from erupting. Don't worry, we're almost done here. The next step is to put the shredded chicken in the soup. Add roughly about a tablespoon of salt in your Khaub Piaj. Make sure you stir your Khaub Piaj. Not too often though. You don't want your fragile noodles to break apart. This is all optional, but you can add onions, cilantro, and whatever kind of sauce you want on it. In this case, I'm using hoisin sauce and sriracha sauce. Thanks for watching my video tutorial on how to make Khaub Piaj. I wish you the best in your experience making Khaub Piaj. Have fun making it, mother— No!